Green crabs are an incredibly harmful invasive species. Understanding spatial temporal patterns in their population dynamics is essential for predicting and managing the ecological and economic impacts of this species. This is a standardized method for assessing crab populations that doesn't require specialized or expensive equipment, is accessible to a wide range of users, and is easily adapted to suit the needs of the investigator. This research can inform shellfish and coastal habitat conservation and restoration, as well as green crab fishery development research. Handling and identifying live crabs can be challenging, so familiarizing yourself with the characteristics of interest and practicing handling live crabs prior to the surveys can be useful. Understanding the specific area of shoreline and crab characteristics targeted in this protocol is critical to ensuring standardization, which is something that is easier to absorb visually. Helping to demonstrate the procedure will be Jessie Batchelder, a field technician from my laboratory.
At the predicted low tide time, run a 50-meter transect tape vertically from the low intertidal zone to the high intertidal zone. Divide the resulting distance into a high, middle, and low section. The low intertidal section, parallel to the shoreline, is the target sampling area. Within the low intertidal zone, measure a distance of 100 meters parallel to the shoreline, and establish permanent markers delineating this zone using a rebar or natural permanent landmarks such as immovable boulders, ledge, or dock pilings. Upon arriving at the survey site, locate the 100-meter section of low intertidal shoreline where the survey will be